guys, welcome back to another vlog. So it's your girl Shay P, and today is Monday, Juneteenth, and Diamond and I are headed to the dealership because she's getting a new car.
Use the right lane to keep right.
So I'm just tagging along to get some content, and I'm just here for moral support. But yeah, so we're gonna head here now.
Then turn right onto Statesville.
I'm not sure how long this will take. Typically this kind of stuff takes a few hours, but she's done most of the paperwork prior to today, so we shouldn't be here too long. But afterwards we're gonna grab some food and I'm going to head back home. But you have anything you want to say?
No, I'm just excited.
But yeah, so we'll check in with you guys soon. I may or may not show the car. It depends on her comfort, but it's completely up to her. But nonetheless, I'm happy for my girl. Oh, you got something to say? Oh, she got something to say.
I just want to say, let me tell y'all, she is a true friend because this is her day off and she chose to wake up after a long weekend to come help me. And I just appreciate it.
Of course.
That's it, that's all.
Of course. But yeah, so I'll check in with you guys once we get to the dealership. Like I said, I may or may not show the car.
I don't care.
It depends on her comfort. She's saying she don't care, so you might see the car.
My tag.
Right. But yeah, so talk to you soon. Bye.
Tired of intros.
I'm not cutting
Okay,
because nobody told you to go that far.
Oh my gosh, y'all, I got my keys today and I'm no longer carless.
So just really quick, this was not rehearsed or anything like that. I just want to tell you that I am proud of you.
We're not going to do that.
Because these last 2 or 3 weeks since the accident happened, it's been really stressful. And when you're trying to balance a 9-to-5 and a car shop and deal with insurance companies and claims and stuff like that, it's a lot. It really, really is a lot. And you're still dealing with the mental and physical anguish from the accident. And I can say that because I'm going through the same thing. So I love you. The fact that you were able to financially put yourself in an even better car in a short amount of time with no co-signer says a lot about how you out here bossing up on your own. So I love you and cheers. Don't cry.
Yeah, but
I am proud of you though.
We're stopping now because I'm going to cry.
For real.
I'm honestly proud of you.
Aw, we love you, girl. Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. Hope y'all can hear me. So today is Saturday, June 24th. It is currently 12:19 and I am headed to an influencer event. A friend of mine named Kendra, shout out to Kendra if you watch this video. She works for this event planning company, and they're sponsoring an event for influencers here in this area. And so she called me a few weeks ago and was just like, oh my gosh, I think that you would be great. You would be a good person to come to this event so you can meet some like-minded people. And I was like, oh my goodness, thank you for thinking of me. So I RSVP with her and I'm on my way. I don't know what to expect outside of Kendra. I don't know who's gonna be there. Maybe I'll see some familiar faces, and if I don't, maybe I'll make some new friends. But it's from 12 to 3. I probably won't end up staying the whole time. What else I need to do today is, and some stuff, if I don't get to it today, I'll do it after church tomorrow. But I need to buy a new skillet. Like my main skillet that I use primarily looks a mess. This skillet I have in my house right now looks like I've been feeding generation, and all the generations back, okay? Like, it's just all scraped up real bad. And it was a really expensive set. and I just dog the heck out of it. So for aesthetics, I need to go and get a new skillet because it look crazy. So I'm gonna just go get one new skillet. I also wanted to scoot over to Nordstrom's because they are having a sunglasses sale right now. And the only thing is it's final sale, and I have a funny shape. I ain't gonna say my face shape is funny, but I can't wear just any type of shade. Like, I have these right here that I bought recently, and it's like a soft square kinda. Like, I like this shape on me, but sometimes I can't tell if the square is too big, if it's not rounded enough, if it's too sharp. So I said, let me just go to Nordstrom and see what they have, and let me try them on. And if I don't find nothing, I don't, and if I do, then cool. But yeah, so I'm gonna go to Nordstrom's. I gotta get a skillet right around the corner from Nordstrom's. I think it's a Home Goods. So if I can knock both of those out in the same area, that would be great. And then I haven't eaten, so hopefully at this event they'll have like some small plates or something like that. And if not, I'll just grab something when I leave. And I want to buy some flowers, but if I don't get to the flowers today, that's fine. There was something else I needed to do. Skillet, sunglasses, event. Oh, clean up my house. How could I forget? Yeah, I'm gonna clean that up. So I'm not doing anything later on today, so I plan to just clean up my house. Like, my house. Yeah, that's that on that. You know what they say? That's that on that. So it's not even that it's dirty, because I'm not a dirty person. It's just not tidy. Like, I have clothes. I have a whole mount of winter clothes sitting on my floor. It's like coats and trench coats and hoodies and puffies and vests and stuff like that. And I just want to stop at Walmart. That's what I need to do, and get one of those big bins and put them in my storage unit, and then just go grab them up when it starts to get cold again. So yeah, just a couple of things this weekend. This traffic is crazy. Just a couple of things to do this weekend. Nothing too crazy. I've been trying to sit my butt down because I have been an Energizer bunny since my birthday. But yeah. Yeah. So I'll check in with you guys once I get to the event. And yeah, let's go meet some people. I have my tall tripod, and I also brought my handheld tripod as well. So that way I can prop the camera up, and I can also do some actual handheld vlogging and whatnot. But I'm excited. I really do want to start going to more things like this, for real. So let's go. See y'all soon.
Oh
it is hot. Okay, y'all, that event was so cute. I'm leaving now. It doesn't end until 3. It's 2:18, but I need to eat, and it's hot. But I was able to make some great connections. I was so engulfed in the conversation, I didn't really pick the camera up that much to put people on it. But I'm getting ready to run to Home Goods to look for a skillet real quick, and then it's only 13 minutes away, and then after that I'm going to Nordstrom, which is right across the street. Those drinks were good. I only had 2 because I knew, like, you gotta drive, you got stuff you gotta do. Let me move y'all up. You got stuff you gotta do, so I am good. I am a sober girl for those who are inquiring look for inquiring minds. But yeah, so we're getting ready to go to Home Goods and look for a skillet. That's such a random purchase. Wait a minute. What is this here? What is going on here? Hold on, y'all. I'm in a different area. Okay. Oh yeah, so headed to Home Goods to look for a skillet. The event was great, like I just said. And yeah, this area is nice. Very nice. Where am I? Like, literally, where am I? It's so cute over here. I'm not looking to buy a home just yet. Maybe like in another 1.5, 2 years, maybe. But I'm so interested in real estate. Like, I be wanting to know zip codes, what's going on, what's up. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, y'all met some really dope people. And a lot of the girls that were there today, they were with a food review, or a food critic group. And they do their social media on that. I think they're called Plates and Pearls. So sweet. Oh my goodness, they were great. And so I connected with, oh, I know where I'm at. I didn't know this brought me out right here. Wow. Been living in this city for over 10 years, and I'm wowed every day geographically. But yeah, so we're gonna go look for a skillet real quick, and after that we're gonna pop over to Nordstrom and look for some glasses. Once I leave there, I did get invited to go out for drinks and hookah tonight with my friends, so I'm supposed to be meeting them around 8 o'clock at this bar that we frequent. So I'm gonna do that for a little while, and I'm going home so I can clean up my house, like I told y'all earlier, because I'm not fooling with them all night. I'm not fooling with them all night. I'm letting y'all know that right now at 2:21. I am not fooling with these girls all night. I don't have time for that. I'm going to church in the morning, and when I wake up in the morning, I want my house to be clean. I want stuff put away as it should be, and that's it. Y'all not about to stress me out. The devil is a lie. Nope. Zilch. Nada. Not happening. Nope. Not me trying to convince myself. No, but for real, 8 o'clock, I should be home by 11 at the latest. So yeah, but I'll check in with you guys when I get to Home Goods. I am 8 minutes away, and I am hungry. I want a lobster roll so bad. Maybe I'll go to the bar at Steak 48 and get a lobster roll and some truffle fries, because I'll be in the area. Decisions. Whew. When I tell y'all it is so freaking hot, like, God bless America. So I just got to Home Goods. All I need is a skillet. Don't let me pick up nothing else but a skillet, okay? If I pick up anything more than a skillet, nope, I'm not entertaining that, because I'm not going to do it. So let's go ahead in here and try to find a skillet. I want it to be like black or like a blue color. So let's see. Oh, it is a hot day. All right, let me get a cart. Oh, this is broken. It's all right. This one sucks, actually. Oh, God. It's some WD-40, right? Let's just move these both this way, and we'll go with the ones behind it.
This is work. This should be 10 minutes.
No, I came here to have fun. Okay, there we go. Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, so we just got to Home Goods, and it feels good in here. All right, so take me to the kitchen appliances, okay? Because that's all I'm in here for. I will not, I repeat, I will not. But you know, honestly though, I really do need to get some new sheets. That's what I really need. But I might not get them today from here. But I do need to get a pair, so excuse me. So yeah, so let's see. I got this dramatic tripod and people looking at me like I'm crazy. But we gotta do what we gotta do, right? Oh, here they go. All right, so let's see what they have. So I prefer for it to be, honestly, I could go stainless steel. This one's cute. Even though it's not gonna look like the other ones. It's $30, good size. Let's see. All of the other ones are dark in color.
Is it just the wrong color for, or is it a good color for your brother? If we do one for them. They always have a lot.
I really do like this one.
Okay. So
Excuse me.
I'm looking at one for them.
This one would be great, but I need a bigger one than this.
And you could always do the or put it on the handle on the other side, so that when they cut on the other side. And then there's that. Still a good idea of doing the tray. So I'm not sold on this heavy.
See if they have other ones.
I really do like the shape of them. Good on that one. Look at this man again.
Not a decent size. I like I would prefer it to be darker, but I do like the size of this one. But it'll be the only one I have that's made like this. And this thing is kind of heavy too. It's definitely heavy, so I don't know. They don't have a huge selection. All right.
But would it be too?
This one's blue.
Is it too?
The bottom looks like that. How much is it? It's 12. I don't know. It's a little overwhelming.
Similar to the one I did.
Maybe I'll just get.
Similar pattern to that. Would this be too unique?
And that's another thing too. If I get the stainless steel one, what am I not supposed to use on it? You know what I'm saying? So I need to look at that too. Honestly, I might get this one. I might get this one. I'm gonna get this one because I don't want the stainless steel one to like be the only one that's like that. Yeah. But look how much smaller it is. Look at that. Like you literally can put this one inside of it. I don't know. I wish this was black on the outside. I really do. Alright, I'll show you guys which one I end up getting when I get in the car. Yeah, that's the only selection they have. Yeah, so I'll check in with y'all shortly. It's so hot. I know I need to stop saying that because duh. But, okay guys, update. I did not just buy a skillet. I tried hard to, but I saw stuff that I feel like I need. So I'm getting ready to do like a tea bar, coffee bar in my house. I thought this was so cute. but I might spray paint it black, or I might just at least spray paint the wooden part black and leave this gold, or the whole thing black. But I wanted to go in that corner because it's so freaking cute. I did end up getting a skillet after I had cut the camera off. There was another owl with more skillets, so I was able to get a bigger one that's also gonna still have the dark aesthetic that I have. And then I got this big old black pillow. It's supposed to end up going on my couch, but honestly I think it's gonna be too big for my couch, so I'll put it in my bedroom. Either way it go, it was no tag on it and it was damaged, so old girl gave it to me for $10, and I'm pretty sure it was worth more than that. So I'm gonna keep it. But yeah, let's pop over to Nordstrom real quick, see if I can find some sunglasses, grab some food, and go home. It is hot, okay? Yeah, so I will check in with you guys once I make it to Nordstrom. Bye. Is my favorite Nordstrom rep. Say hello.
Hey,
Y'all remember her from Cabo. I just hit 2,000 views on that video. Y'all. So I'm in here. She about to show me some new perfumes. I'm about to try on some shades.
And y'all, I'm her bestie. I know she did not call me no Nordstrom rep.
I said she's my favorite. I said she's my favorite Nordstrom rep. That's what I said.
I get territorial.
She's a Virgo. And she gonna tell you how she feel every single time. But yeah, so I'm gonna try on some shades and then go get some food. I'm hungry. I might go to Steak 48 and get a lobster roll because they're so good. But yeah, I'll check in with y'all once I find something that I like. Bye. Bye, 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 bye.
I'll tell you you're right when you want. If only you could say things to me. Oh, when you're cold, I'll be there. Hold you tight, do it for me. Oh, when you're low, I'll be there by your side. Oh, when you're cold, I'll be there. Hold you tight, do it for me. Oh, when you're low.
I think people are used to it now though.
Right, in this generation.
Yeah. Oh,
Those are cute.
you think so?
Yeah, and it matches like the little highlights in your hair.
Oh my gosh.
Those are cute.
Oh my god. What's the retail on these? Oh my gosh. I didn't think I was gonna like them that much. I got makeup on them too.
Oh no, you're good. Because we
Clean them out in the top.
yeah, and we check if we have extras, so we're not selling you.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah.
Oh, good,
So
good.
that's a good thing.
I like those. What's the retail on them?
It's 500.
500? That's not bad. I like those. Can I try these right here? These are cute too. I like the size.
Those are cute. Yeah. But I don't know if you.
These are cute though.
It's cute, but if you wanted something a bit more like this shape where it's different, those are like regular Ray-Bans. You get what I mean?
Yeah, these are the ones. Like, y'all, look at these on me.
You don't really see people walking around with that shit. But this is crazy. It's cute. It's subtle. This is more an everyday girl. Go to Target type here. This is more, you got a nice.
Amoy? It's pretty. Amoy. Does it mean anything?
Where I'm from Jamaica originally.
Oh, nice.
So it means beautiful goddess. And then,
Amoy.
yeah, and then in China, it's a soy sauce.
Oh, so either way it go, it's a good thing.
Right? It's a soy sauce.
No, seriously. Yo, these are nuts. So I noticed something because I thought I was tripping. They're polarized.
Yes.
Because when I put these on and I looked in the camera, I thought my camera was glitching, but it's not.
You're good. Oh, sorry. Oh, wait. Oh.
These are nice too. So
Oh,
y'all know,
like similar to this.
yeah, it's actually the same
Yeah,
shape,
it's
it's just a
same
different lens. So y'all know I do not like pink, but Amoy is suggesting we try on pink. So let's see what happens. These are the same shape as the first ones I tried on. Or no, the ones I really do like that I think I'm gonna get. I can't shop with you.
I like it.
You like it?
Yes. Those are cute. Those are nice.
I actually am not mad at them. I just know I wouldn't wear them that much.
Right.
But I will
That's the
wear
only
them.
thing.
Just not all the time.
And are you looking for like an everyday pair?
And that, yeah.
Then,
Like year round.
right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I
So-
just feel like I have a lot of black.
You can tie that into like anything versus the pink. But this is a cute, if you had an outfit ready for a nice.
Can you write down the style number for this one?
Yeah.
Thank you. I'm gonna see something really quick.
Although Chanel is really.
Yeah, I had to come back and get these. This one's pink. Matches your shirt. Can I grab these? Yeah, thank you. Where were you when the I was actually here. We were headed to an event. I can't find my card. I'm gonna go grab you some. Thank you. Yeah, you can take that and just roll it. These are the best. I use one of y'all. It's an orange one, and I wear it at work. Let me,
original.
Girl, I get so many compliments.
Yeah, maybe you like sell out of that so quick.
Yeah, it's good. What's the name of it? I would love to try those though.
Let me see if I got the orange.
Okay, thank you.
Do you feel the knuckle punch and his thing?
So I got these the black jelly sandal again, and yes, I love them. And now they're all fresh, which is so funny because they're like super shiny. Look at these. No.
Spring flower.
Oh, what bottle was that?
Spring flower. You're right.
What are the notes in this baby? Y'all.
Spring flower. Cool.
You see me? Oh my gosh. Thank you so much. Which the bottle is very similar to that one actually.
Bottle right there.
Yeah, it looked just like it, like they homegirls.
I'm going to set that next to Delana.
I ain't fooling with you. I am
Side by
not.
side.
Z, Z,
Called the Pink Collection.
I'm not
The
fooling
Pink
with you.
Sisters.
No, for real.
For real.
Big sis and little sis.
Thanks.
All right, let me get the shoes,
Okay.
and I'm gonna pin that one in though. All right, so I'm just getting a pair of shoes, and I am out of here. Okay, I'm not fooling with Z. Thank you so much. I'm not fooling with Z.
Right. I'm gonna put your sample in here.
Thank you so much. You are good at what you do.
Thank you. Let me get you a nice size bag.
Thank you so much, darling.
It's my pleasure. My
Thank
pleasure.
you. I will see you next time. Okay, so I'm leaving the mall right now. I got two pair of pants. What did I get? I got two pair of shoes. I got some heels, and I also got another pair of my favorite sandals that broke. And yeah, I really just did the most. So tonight we're eating oodles and noodles, ladies and gentlemen. So yeah. So let's go decide if we want shrimp or Oriental noodles, and I'll be back. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It is your girl Shay P, and today is Wednesday. It's hump day. It is June 28th. It's June 28th, I think, Wednesday. And I'm home from work. I got my robe on. And guess what we about to do, y'all? We're about to put together this chair that finally came in the mail. I'm so excited. So I haven't done an official like apartment tour yet because my apartment is probably about 55% how I want it to be for real. I want a reading nook in my living room area because I like to read. I like to like a reading, like thinking chair, even like a napping chair. I don't know. And I knew that I wanted the chair to go in the corner. I knew that I wanted to go. I knew that I wanted it to be not facing the TV because that's the point of it. And I wanted to make this cute little area right here. So the first thing to do was for the area was to find a chair. So I found this one on Amazon, and I pray that it looks good because it took a lot to get this thing upstairs. I had to get somebody to help me, which means I have to get somebody to help me take it back downstairs. They have to also help me take it to the UPS store. And that's doing a lot. Like that's going to be doing a lot. So prayfully it works. It should be the color of my couch. This was an online purchase, so I don't really have much to really go by. And I believe for the reviews, I don't think it was any of them in my color. So I'm getting ready to show you guys me taking it out the box. It'll be a first impressions type of situation. And I'm excited. I think once I get the chair, I can throw like accent pillows on it, something like this. I might even get a cute little table to put right there so I can put like a cup for like my mug when I drink tea as I read, or a wine glass, or like a candle to burn over there. But that means I also have to find a place to move my plants. So I got a lot of stuff I need to do. But yeah, I'm getting ready to prop y'all up. Let's get to it. Bye. Hey y'all, okay, so as you can see, I just took everything out of the box. Everything's right here on the floor now. What's crazy is, somebody calling me. What's crazy is the color of the couch, of my couch, and the color of this chair is off a little bit. And I got a feeling I should have got it in black instead of getting it in this beige color. So I don't even know if it's worth putting it together. You know what I'm saying? Actually, let me show y'all how it looks. Tell me if I'm tripping. Hold on. Fan on in this joint. Oh my gosh, y'all. I should have got it in black. All right, look. Look at that. I don't like it. I don't like it. I'm gonna have to order this in black. I'm so upset. The texture is cool. I need to make sure that black comes in the same material though. Because the material is going to mimic the couch, but I am blowed right now. Whew. I'm not putting this together. It makes no sense to. Yeah, it makes no sense to put this chair together. I'm not going to put the chair together. I am actually going to put it back in the box the best way I can and request a return to Amazon and then buy it again and get it in black, because I know for a fact, don't mind my living room by the way, you know, I have like the accent pillows right here. I have the greenery for my plants. My coffee table is huge and a mess right now, by the way. But I know for a fact black won't gonna stick out, you know? So, and different shades of black will go before this. Like, look at this from over here. Get somebody else. Nope, it's going back. Nope, bye. This is why I do not like ordering offline when it comes to stuff like this. I slick do want to put it together so I can see the size of it. Maybe I'll try to, like, instead of actually like assembling it, maybe I'll just kind of like do like a rough draft assemble, if that make any sense. Hold on. Let me see something real quick. Hold on. Let me see something real quick. All right, so let me show y'all. So that's the base, because again, I told you it's a swivel. And then this part right here will go on top of the base. Like this. Okay. Oh yeah, that color is going back. It's atrocious. And then, maybe this is like the back. But this isn't a low chair like that. Yeah, this color is hideous. I wanted it black. Let me look and see. I don't even see. I don't even know. Child. And see, I hate having to put stuff back together. Or I hate having to repackage stuff after I've literally destroyed it. Oh shoot, sorry y'all. But yeah, I don't even know why it's still sitting so low, because this chair is not supposed to be a low chair. So I'm about to have to grab my phone real quick and make sure that I knew what I was ordering. This color is not giving at all. It's actually hideous. So I'm gonna see if that material in black comes in. I'm gonna see if the color black for this chair comes in the material I want, because I noticed. Sorry, I'm all over the place. Hey y'all, because I noticed I am wore out. I mean, I am wore out right now. Ooh. Hold on one second. Where is the water? Ooh, child. Dang. I ain't been in the gym in over a month. Because my foot. I'll tell y'all about that in the next video, though. Oh, that's some good water. Make sure y'all use my coupon code to save y'all some money on some spring alkaline water. Gotcha every time. So they had black. So I saw a lot of different types of swivel chairs. And again, I live in an apartment, decent size. It's a nice size of 1-bedroom apartment. Living room is a good size. I just didn't want a big old chair to just be in the corner like that too. I didn't want to clutter up a space. I don't like clutter, you know what I'm saying? So this chair, to me, I did the dimensions at home, and I was like, I think it'll be a pretty good fit. I just don't recall it being so low like that, because if it's gonna be low like that, not only will the color not work, but that style won't work. I need something that's gonna have some height to it. So the thing about black, I saw a lot of black swivel chairs that were a decent size, but they were all that velvet color. And I can't do the different materials. Like the material, to me, the material is more important than the color, because I don't know, that's an OCD thing for me. But yeah, I can't do that felt or that velvet. So I'm gonna look and see. But yeah, it's going back. That color is literally not. No. Get somebody else. But we're actually getting ready to cook. We're gonna make some shrimp Alfredo with some spinach and some tomatoes, some fettuccine noodles, and some garlic bread. I'm hungry. So we're gonna also cook today on here, and I'll let you guys know in a second about the chair or whatnot. Let me show y'all the corner is going in. I got a lot going on right now. Let me show y'all the corner it's gonna go in. So this is where it's gonna be at. You see that? You see how low that is? Like, what? You see the base. Sorry, you see my finger, but you see the base there. I'm not mad at that, but that color is not given at all. And then I'll probably get a cute little table right beside it. And I was thinking about putting something on the wall right there without it doing too much on that whole wall. But you guys let me know down below what you think. So, yeah. But I also had a mirror. Wait, whoa. There we go. I also had a mirror. So I'm doing 2 mirrors on both sides of my bed. I ordered one because I'm like, if I don't like it, I don't want to have to deal with toting back 2, and that's glass and it's kind of heavy. But I end up liking the mirror, so I ordered the second one. That also came today. But yeah, so I'm getting ready to make me a glass of wine or champagne, I don't know. And then we're gonna cook, and that's gonna be tonight. I'm having issues with my external hard drive. So I had an appointment for Apple today at 7:35. I had to cancel it because I was super excited about my couch coming early, like a kid. So I'm gonna go to the Apple store tomorrow. Oh, goodness, sorry. I'm gonna go to the Apple store tomorrow as a walk-in because they don't have anything, or Friday. Or you know what? I honestly, yeah, it'll end up being on tomorrow or Friday to get my external hard drive looked at. I think that it's a new hard drive that's going to be needed, which I'm always okay with that. I'd rather that than an actual laptop. I do have some good stuff on my external hard drive, so that would suck if they can't let me know what's going on with it. But I do have to do that, so you guys will probably come with me for it. And yeah, I think that's it. So I'll talk to y'all in a little bit. Bye. So I'm getting ready to transport the rest of the shrimp that's still frozen over into this so I can consolidate in my freezer. Today is 6/28, I'm pretty sure. Never thawed. Okay. Yeah, I'm so hungry. I wish I would have started cooking this before I tried to mess with that couch, but it's okay. I got so excited. I should have just got it in black. But it's okay.